we just pulled over Wauraltee town. There is a hall there. They are holding Easter market. Today is Saturday, and they are holding from 9 to 2 only, and they're doing sausage sizzle and Devon society and any other things. We're just waiting for our sausage sizzle because we always love it and we always buy it whenever we see one. I think we're the first person arrive because it is really early right now and nobody here is at the moment.
Do you want to get in?
No, thank you. I won't steal your spot. She's not even looking. I don't think she knows.
Are you sure there's no egg, Evie? Look around. Look everywhere. What's in there? Oh wow! It's an egg. You found one. Good job, Evie. It's not wet. Put it in the bag. Good girl. Okay, I'll take us out. Alright, go. One. Any more? Can you see any more eggs, Evie? Yeah, find 2 eggs. How about you? Wow, you did it. Good job, Evie. Any more? Yeah. Good job, Evie. Good. Good.
She's more excited.
Good. Which one did Evie find? If Evie found it, give it to her. Which one did she find?
Shaking. I can eat
Go.
it now.
On the inside, Evie? Yeah, you got 4 eggs. Wow, so many eggs, Evie.
I have 7
How many eggs you got, Eva?
I have.
You have 10 100?
I want 7 eggs.
Cool.
beautiful. I love it already. I was so curious about this place, and finally we got to stay stay here for one night is because we're going to catch the ferry to Kangaroo Island tomorrow, but then our ferry is at 6 p.m. so we still have a whole day to explore Rapid Bay. I have a few ideas in mind, and we're gonna do a waterfall walk for tomorrow. The sunset was so beautiful today. We did make it on time so that I can capture a few family photos that I have in mind. And it's a bit cold at the moment, a bit windy, so could not take Johnny out for a fly. But tomorrow I think we can do it early in the morning. It's sunset on the ocean here, so there won't be sunrise on the ocean, but probably gonna be behind the mountain. And the place, this mountain is huge. It's like so big, like I have never seen, and it's just right next to the ocean. It's a very interesting place.
Like two monkeys trying to.
Anyway, long story short, we booked a new age caravan to fix our water tank number 2 and our broken door. However, yesterday Justin magically fixed the water tank number 2, so it is working now, so therefore we don't need them to fix. And we want them to fix the door, however there's no part available and we have to wait, could be 2 to 3 weeks time, so we're left with no other option but to keep on moving and just manually lock the door with an external lock for the meantime. Lucky our caravan do have an alarm as well. Yeah, it's just funny how we waste we travel around 2 weeks waiting for new age caravan to fix our water tank, and now it's working again and we don't need them. But then yeah, they couldn't fix our door, so oh well. We are here at the second valley. Our plan was to come here to do a walk because there's a waterfall here, but then just when Justin pulled over into the parking, I look around at the scenery and then I start to remember we were here about less than 10 years ago, and then we did the exact walk, but then once we got to the waterfall it was all dried up. And then for some reason there are so many people here. I'm not sure what are they doing here. But since that we're here, we're just gonna go for a walk anyway. One of the person came out and told me that there's not much waterfall at all, like a tiny bit, because that's about 10 years ago when we were here it was all dried up. Make a cute face.
Let's go and have a look to scenery.
Goodbye, beautiful Rapid Bay. We are leaving you for Kangaroo Island now.